What is 0.08% as a fraction in simplest form? We can rewrite this 0.08 times, instead of percentage we can write 1 over 100. Now multiply top number together, 0.08 divided by 100. Okay, look, 10 100, these are called power of 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of 0 and move the decimal from right to left. So how many zeros here? 2 zeros. So decimal point will move 2 places. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place. So we are getting decimal 0008. Now we need to convert this decimal number to fraction. So for numerator, we just skip the decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 410. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. We get 4. We get 5. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. We get 5 and 2. This is also divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2. We get 1 and we get here 5. So we are getting 1 over 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125 times 10 here. So this is power of 10. Just count the non-zero digit, multiply the non-zero digit. So 125 at the 0. So this is the lowest term, as the common factor between 1 and 1250 is just 1.